Assalamu alaikum 10th class. I am your lecturer Ma'am Hira. This is our biology class in accordance to the morning schedule, which is going alhamdulillah very well. I hope you guys are enjoying the lectures over YouTube channel. Do subscribe our channel, the State Secondary School. We have started mashallah our next chapter, which is unit number 1. We have completed unit number 10 hopefully. The name of our new chapter is homeostasis. So let's start about the homeostasis. What is homeostasis basically? The word homeostasis refers to the maintenance. I have created this mind map so that you can remember it. Homeostasis is in reference to the maintenance. To maintain what? Maintains our body temperature, maintains our body condition to the equilibrium state from external environment. Whatever changes take place in external environment, there should be no effect to that on our body. We maintain our body temperature with the help of enzymes. Continuously enzymes send messages to our brain, to our endocrine system, to maintain our body temperature, to keep it balanced, to keep it safe. You know what is our universal body temperature? Internal body temperature is 37 degrees centigrade and our blood glucose level is 1 gram. So whatever changes take place in our environment, for example when it is too hot in the environment outside, what our body does, we take lots of fluids, lots of cold fluids, we switch on our air conditions or we try to avoid sunshine, exactly, so that our body could not feel the dark temperature which is outside. Similarly, in terms of winter, when it is very cold outside, what is our behavior? What is our endocrine system's enzyme work out at that stage? Enzymes constantly send messages to have something warm, to wear warm clothes, to have warm drinks, or to switch on our heaters and to just take heat so that our body could maintain the temperature to the external environment. There is a constant system in our body which constantly sends the messages or receives messages to maintain our body temperature. Alright guys, so what does homeostasis mean? Homeostasis means to maintain the internal body temperature, which is 37 degrees centigrade, from external environment. Whatever changes take place in our environment, there has no effect or they have no harm to our internal body temperature. This is homeostasis. This is all what we are going to read today. Now we have two basic terms in relevant to that. One is osmoregulation. This is osmoregulation, and one is thermoregulations. There are two ways by which our body maintains its temperature. One is osmoregulation and one is thermoregulation. What is osmoregulation? Osmoregulation is the maintenance of fluid, maintenance of salt and water in our body is termed as osmoregulation. And what is thermoregulation? Therms mean heat, regulation means to maintain. So thermoregulation is the maintenance of body temperature, the maintenance of body internal temperature is called thermoregulation. So these are the two ways to cope up with homeostasis. How we pursue the homeostasis? By osmoregulation. What is osmoregulation? Osmo means water or fluid. There is a system inside our body which works by the help of enzymes and send direct messages to our endocrine system, to our brain, the holding leading of our body. So how do it maintain? It maintains the amount of salt and water in our body. For example, when there is very hot weather, we have sweat, we have a lot of sweat. So how we maintain that sweat? There is a urge to drink water, we become thirsty by times. Quick we have lots of water in summers, during summers, because our body is retaining this water with the help of sweat. So we take lots of water, whereas in winter we do not take that kind of fluid, that kind of water. Even we don't feel thirst by the end of the day. The whole day passes and we have not even drank maybe 2 to 3 glasses of water. But in summers we take number of glasses because we feel thirsty. Why we feel thirsty? Because we have to maintain the body fluid, body salt and water. Similarly guys, there is thermoregulation, maintenance of body temperature. How do we maintain body temperature in summers? By taking bath, by drinking water, by wearing easy clothes, airy clothes, by switching on air conditions, etc. And how do we maintain the body temperature in winters? We maintain our body temperature in winters by switching on our heaters, our inverters, by making our environment or room temperature warm so that we could stay there. Alright, we wear warm clothes in winter so that our body could mate with the temperature, with the cold temperature outside. We keep ourselves warm, we take warm fluids, we take coffees or teas, etc. Anything which keeps our body warm. This is the difference how we maintain our body, and this is all related to the homeostasis, that an organism's body always try to maintain its temperature from external environment. It maintains itself at a equilibrium state by the help of enzymes which are related to our mind. Alright guys, I hope you have understood these three terms: what is homeostasis, what is osmoregulation and thermoregulation. Practice all these terms, stay home, stay safe, and learn these by your heart. Protect you and your family from this pandemic COVID-19. Thank you guys.